Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to change the wallpaper on Samsung S25 FE lock screen and home screen. By default, you can see set the home screen and lock screen wallpaper on your S25 FE. If you want to change the default wallpaper, follow this tutorial. Just unlock your Samsung S25 FE device. Tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Here you can find the lock screen wallpaper or home screen wallpaper. Now tap the change wallpapers. Here you can find the list of available options to set the wallpaper on your Samsung S25 FE home screen and lock screen. Here you can see the features wallpaper. In the latest 1UI8 version, you can see the new dynamic option that will automatically change the color day by in the day, depend on the your weather. Tap on next. Here you can see the different style. This dynamic wallpaper change colors over the time. So in the whole day, it will automatically change day by day. So when you set the dynamic wallpaper on your device, so if you can set the dynamic wallpaper also. If you want to select photo from your gallery, select the gallery option on your device. Select the photo you want to set. Like here we select this photo, tap on a done. Now here you can set home screen, lock screen. So you can select your own photo from the gallery. Here you can create the AI wallpaper, generative AI wallpaper or a photo ambient wallpaper. So tap on a generative AI. Make sure internet is working on your device. So to use the generative AI, so we start internet on my device. So if you want to create the AI wallpaper, make sure internet is working on your device. Also you can select the photo ambient wallpaper that will change your own photo based on the time and weather automatically, depend on your local condition. So you can set the photo ambient wallpaper to apply the live weather effects. Next, here you can see the graphical six different default to graphical photos. Here you can select the colors. Also, you can find the dynamic wallpaper effect here and the wallpaper service. If you want to set the dynamic lock screen wallpaper, it will automatically change on the lock screen wallpaper. So here you can see the list of different categories you want to set, like a landscape, plants, life, cats, dog, animals, food. So select the category you want to show on your lock screen. So every time when you lock or unlock your device, you can see the new lock screen wallpaper automatically change on your Samsung S25 FE if you want to set the dynamic lock screen wallpaper. So this is the all available option to set the wallpaper on your home screen. Now here we select the photo from the default feature wallpaper. We select this wallpaper. Now select the home screen on lock screen you want to set. So here we only select the home screen option. Tap on the next button. Now here you can see how it looks. Also tap on a variants. Here you can find the list of different variants of the wallpaper you want to set on your home screen. Select the options. So here we select this option. Now tap on a done at the top right corner. We apply the wallpaper to home screen and lock screen. Now here you can see set the wallpaper on your Samsung S25 FE home screen and lock screen. So quite easy to set the wallpaper or change the wallpaper on Samsung S25 FE home screen and lock screen. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.